This is a global emergency. The globe is facing a malevolent threat. Important details of this threatening emergency will follow. This is an emergency action notification at the request of the White House. All the EAS participants will follow the handbook during this emergency. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate this activation. This is the emergency alert system serving the Delaware area. If you are not in the Delaware area, tune into stations providing news and local information to the Delaware area. You are currently listening to the emergency alert system serving the Delaware area. This is not a test whatsoever. Please stand by.
Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly.
Hello, my fellow Americans. This is the representative of the U.S. President here. The following message has been given authorization at the release of the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the United States Government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States Space Agency, and the National Public Warning System. This is not a test. To be repeated, this is not a test. At around 12 a.m. EST, this planet is coming to an end. NASA has discovered a supernova, named 2025 January 20th World-Ending Day. And it will cause a gamma burst in the next hour. I regret to inform the United States citizens and across the globe that this is another anonymous catastrophic event that is currently leading to humanity's end. The sun has recently turned into a red giant, and it shot down gamma ray lasers to homes, vehicles, and more structures. And it's been seen causing destruction to shelters too. This is a life-threatening situation that shall not be ignored. To the remaining people on Earth, you are told to gather with your loved ones, and reunite with your ancestors for the final hours on Earth. I have selected a verse to be read on the air. Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. We will finish this off with one last playing of the national anthem. All TV stations will be permanently discontinued. All cable systems will be permanently discontinued. All Wi-Fi systems will be permanently discontinued. All electricity will be cut off. And then, finally, everything will be shut down and discontinued for good. Thank you for being a part of the American dream. God bless the United States.